We're here today to give you an update on our progress. We've had some major accomplishments today with getting in some steel beams so we can open up some walls. Also out in the backyard here, we can see that trenches have been filled in. In our last video we had still some open trenches from putting the utilities underground. Now it's all smoothed out. We're about ready for our electrical to be turned back on. Hopefully the city will have it turned on as soon as possible. Other thing I want to look at over here is our progress. In the last video I showed where we had framed in these back rooms, but we still hadn't done anything with this wall dividing the living room from our back room here, our family room. What we've done here today, and it's not totally done, but up here at the top, this gray beam, this is a 4x8-inch steel beam we've put in here. They've got a lot of the straps on already to tie the roof down. It's all butted onto the existing block wall. We've got wood posts in here to stabilize the beam, and that's all bolted to the block. You can kind of see some of that right in here. It's all bolted in. All of these wood posts and everything, that will all be wrapped with drywall once we're all done, and it'll disappear into the walls. So this on the side, same thing. We've got multiple bolts in here going into the block wall, and our steel beam, which not only sits on the posts, but it sits on the block wall. So we put up a temporary wall here. This is just to offer some security to the house while this wall is wide open. This wall is going to remain open to give us a full view of a 16-foot wide sliding glass door that will be back here. It will be able to, it'll have some fixed panels, but two center panels will open and open up probably about 7.5 foot wide when it's fully open, which would be nice for any outdoor entertaining. And you can also have it open and close the screen doors. We've got this wall framed up for a nice window on this side, which is going to be the same size of window as what's on these back walls of the house, and another window of that size that's going to go into the office over here. We've got most of our wiring done in this area here, and then I believe that our doors and windows should be arriving anytime now to be installed. Once that's done, I'm going to walk around inside the house. Once the doors and windows are in, we'll put siding on this. It's going to be board and batten siding, which is historically accurate for this Ralph Haver mid-century modern. So here we go. We're in the kitchen, living room area. This is the back side of that wall we were just looking at. And here we've got yet another steel beam that we've put in. This is not complete yet. This is in. We've got straps on it that hold the roof down, hold beam up. This will all be properly fastened down every which way before we're done. And this inside the wall here is a post. It is fastened to the concrete foundation and strapped up at the top. I'm sure this steel beam was a good trick to get in here. Now, the whole reason why this goes across the hallway into this other wall is because in phase 2, we're going to be taking out all these other walls, and we don't want to have to tear things up like we had to do in this phase to take this wall out. So you can see this beam is straddling this whole area here. So this wall that's in front of us can be taken out with no muss, no fuss. So The guys will be back in here tomorrow. They will finish up putting all the strapping in that goes with this, and we should be in really good shape. So from there, I'll show you the next step when we get out here.